Here we have the haul out of the 39 Mainship 2000 named the Journey. We're here in Sarasota at the haul out facility. Boat just got brought out of the water and I let it dry down a little bit. Take a look here what we got. All looks overall pretty nice. It's a clean boat. Good anchor. Paint's getting well, it's getting a little old here in the front. I'll probably use a paint job pretty soon. Noticing these through hulls. I don't know if you can see them. Little cracks up in there. Don't see any blisters, osmosis. And we get these little creatures on the boat that eat through the paint. You can see some down there. You can see that. I don't know if you can see this or not. Where's my finger? Here. Those can get scraped off. Got a couple up here also. That's nothing.
Definitely due for a bottle job.
Zinc's good. Yeah. We can use to paint this thing on the bottom. A little bit of mold right here. That'll get cleaned off over at Apex when they do all the prep work. Zinc's getting old. I probably could have scraped this a little better. You can see all the stuff that they did scrape off of it. That's all the stuff they scraped. Overall, the hull is good. Besides the paint, Rick, is there anything else that sticks out to you?
I'm looking at the joint between the hull and the add-on swim platform. So you can see right along here that we've got a lot of loose fiberglass right here.
Yeah.
So that needs to get peeled back and redone. And if we take a look right here at what we've got, there's
Oh yeah, that's bad. You see this?
there's no adhesion there at all.
That's where that's
They're just getting forced in by the movement of the boat.
that's where these were made as two.
separate pieces. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
If that was one piece, we really be in a world of crap. You can see the joint. You can see the scar right here. It's not a good joint anyway. What I like to do. Okay. Well, right now we've got through hulls that we want to have replaced on the hull top side. We've got,
All right.
yeah, and that's going to mean taking what's there off because it's obviously not got a bond to work underneath it. So they're going to have to mechanically rough it.
Anyway,
You know,
we'll be back at you. I just wanted to send you this.
not freshly waxed, but still looking pretty good. And I didn't see anything there that I didn't see any blisters or anything at all. I haven't seen any either.
And this is One World Yachts. He's tapping the hull now to see if there's any delamination. But we'll get the report and we'll see what's up with this. We'll get numbers on cleaning up that attachment for the swim platform and some through hull fittings that have little cracks in them. That seems to be it. Maybe I'll get an estimate on the bottom job, but we'll probably have the bottom done over at Apex. You get a better job there. Anyway, there's One World Yachts, and I'm out.